Okay, I won't go into all the details because I could sit here and talk for an hour just about proper flower care. So we'll just take the basics, which never use softened water. The high salt content is deadly to flowers and also potted plants. It causes those little spots on the bloom, pepper spots, I think people call them. You want to avoid dripping solution or water on your petals. Allow moisture to evaporate before placing your flowers in the cooler. Just a micro layer of condensation is enough to make botrytis spores germinate. Keep your cooler floors clean and dry. Keep things clean, 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 clean. I think that's going to be probably your mantra. Containers, tools, all those things can transmit bacteria and botrytis and other things. Dirty water can contain millions of bacteria that lodge in the base of a flower stem. And an interesting fact is that that bacteria can move up to 4 to 5 inches up into the stems of your flowers. So that can cause all kinds of problems, shorten the life of them. So you want to cut and change your solution frequently. The right solution is going to deliver the right results to your flowers. Follow the label instructions. Don't just guess. Overdosing your flowers doesn't really give any good result. It doesn't do anything better. It actually wastes time and money. Underdosing also is the same. There's some other methods of using like bleach versus Gerber pills. So bleach is great, but it's only active for 6 to 8 hours. Whereas you can buy a professional pill that has a slow release that'll keep releasing that antifungal for a longer time.
So when you say Gerber pills, is that just, they're not just for Gerbers, right?
Right. That's a Crisol brand product.
Okay.
And it's basically a slow release antifungal.
Okay.
So you can use bleach, but like I said, it has a shorter shelf life.
Okay.
Hydrating solutions are important too. When we hydrate things at the wholesale level, we use a really low sugar system. And if you introduce sugar into the system of a flower too early in the process of hydration after it's been cut, it can actually shorten the life of the flower. So all the way through the cold chain, it has to be treated properly. And lastly, things like temperature. You want to keep your flowers as close to stasis as possible. So like 34 to 38 degrees is optimal. You don't want to go much lower than that, but you can go a little higher than that. For the rest of the details, you can check out the sheet because there's a lot of little minutia that we could go over.